Okay, so I'm back. I wanted to give you a follow-up on where I am with things. I finally completed the whole lathe. As you saw, I was missing this clamp, tool rest, these bars, lots of little small things. I said I was going to manufacture instead of to get this thing running, but just couldn't have the time to find the manufacturing. So instead, I did the next best thing, which was to basically buy another lathe over here. This is a Powermatic 45, as you can tell. And I took a lot of this, and I bought this one just for cheap. It's not in really great condition. And I bought it for the parts. I took off the clamp here, I took off the banjo, the various little clamps, and I took them over there and I put them right here. So now I have working here, everything looks in good shape. And so I can confirm that the Powermatic, even at this generation 45, matches up, aligns pretty well with the 90. And the most recent is like a 1980s version lathe. And this one was painted. This was the dark green color, but someone painted it the light green, I guess, to match some of the other pieces they had in the shop. But underneath it is dark green. So that dark green color is probably, you know, late 60s, early 70s. So those parts match up pretty nicely. But as you can see, it's all done. And now, you know, all I have to do is I can push the start button, put the power on, and away I go. Then turn on the power. It's really pretty smooth. There's very little movement, very little vibration. Everything's nice and rock steady. Let's close this bed and turn it off. The reeve drive looks good. Everything else looks nice and smooth. And I'm pretty happy about it. So all I have to do now, this one lathe, everything looks perfect. Everything clamps. I got a lathe. Thanks very much.